In this lecture, let's learn about the problems where data is misread, leading to a wrong average, and we are supposed to calculate the real or the actual average. The correct average or the actual average will be given average into the number of observations plus new value minus old value upon the number of observations, where A is old average, N is number of observations. New means if they give one value, you take that value, or if they give multiple values, take the sum of all that new observations. And old also, if it is 1, you can take that value directly, or you take the sum of all the old values. Let's solve a question to understand this. In a class, the average height of 35 girls was measured 160 centimeters. Later on, it was discovered that the height of one of the girls was misread as 144 centimeters, while her actual height was 104 centimeter. What was the actual average height of the girls in the class? So basically we need to find the actual average or the corrected average. For this, let's write the given data. The number of students is 35 girls, so number n is 35. Then the old average A is given as 160 centimeters, and old value of the girl height which was entered initially was 144, but the actual height or the new value is 104. This was given, and we are supposed to calculate the actual average value, which is A into n plus the new value minus old value upon n. This is 160 into 35 plus the new value is 104, old value is 144 upon 35. When you calculate this, this turns out to be 158.86 centimeters. This is the new average or the actual average. Let's do one more question. The average marks in science subject of a class of 20 students is 68. If the marks of 2 students were misread as 48 and 65 instead of the actual marks 72 and 61 respectively, then what would be the correct average? Pretty similar. For this, let me add the given data. The number of observations is 20 students, then the average is 68, and old values which were misread were 48 and 65. So let's take the sum. 48 plus 65, that is 113, and the new values which supposed to be entered is 72 and 61. So let's add them. This is 133, and the formula for the correct average is A into n plus the new values minus old values by n. So this is 68 into 20 plus 133 minus 113 upon 20. When you solve this, this will be 69. This is the answer. So that was the lecture on corrected average.